Voiceover. Imagine a world where technology and automobiles merge. Welcome to the dawn of a new in automobiles. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Trendwave Now. Have you ever thought of turning your regular car into a smart car? Well, now it's possible. A recent innovation in the automotive world has made this a reality. The mastermind behind this revolution? None other than Mukesh Ambani, the owner of Reliance JIO. Now let's get into the details. The product is called JioMotive. It's a pocket-sized OBD device that plugs into your car's port. It then connects to the JIO network using an eSIM. This little device can transform any car into a smart car, boasting features that were once restricted to high-end luxury vehicles. Imagine real-time tracking of your vehicle, right from your smartphone. Ever had to worry about where your car is parked in a crowded lot? Not anymore. The JioMotive device allows for geofencing, a feature that sends you notifications if your car goes beyond a set boundary. But that's not all. The JioMotive device also provides time fence notifications, driving analytics, and even remote diagnostics. Yes, you heard that right. This device can diagnose your car's health and send you updates. No more guessing games at the garage. Now, you might be thinking such an innovative device must come with a hefty price tag. Well, here's where you're in for a pleasant surprise. The JioMotive device is priced at a whopping 58% discount on the original price. In conclusion, the JioMotive device is not just a step towards the future of automotive technology. It's a leap. With features that bring luxury car perks to any vehicle and a price point that's hard to beat, this product is set to revolutionize the way we interact with our cars. So, the next time you're in your car, remember, it doesn't have to be just a car. With JioMotive, it can be a smart car.